The question says, Jaunty would like to visit Monty, and there are three routes available, and then there are three questions. Question number A, question number B, question number C, all related to this particular figure. Again, let me read out the question. Jaunty would like to visit Monty. So this is Jaunty's home, and this is Monty's home, and there are three routes available. Let us check it out. Yes, there are three routes. Route number A, let me call this route number A. The first route, which is via a playground. This is a playground. So from Jaunty's home to playground and then to Monty's home. This is, let us call that route A. And then there is a direct route. There is nothing in between. Let us call this route B, and there is another route that is via one market. Let us call this as route C. So now let us read out question number A. Question number A says, what is the length of the shortest route available? So to know the shortest route, we have to compare the distances of all the three routes. So route A distance, let us first figure out the distance of route A. Route A is via playground. So from Jaunty's home to playground, it's 356. 356. So A's calculation, let us do first. It's 356 meter to the playground, and then from playground to Monty's home is 230 meters, so it will be 230 meter. So as both distances are expressed in same unit, that is meter, we can add them up to get the total distance or the total length of route A. 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 3 is 5. So it's 586 meter is the length of route A. Now we will find out the length of route B. Let us carry out calculation. So route B, there is nothing in between. So route B is simply 672 meter, which is explicitly mentioned over here, 672 meter. Now route C, let me write down, route B is equal to 672 meter. Now for route C, the route C is via a market. Jaunty's home to market is 400 meter, and from market to Monty's home is 156 meter. We can add these two. So this is 556 meter. So C is of 556 meter. So we have got all the three distances A, B and C in this table, which we have calculated. So now the question asked is, what is the length of the shortest route available? The shortest route is route C, and the length of which is 556. If you compare 586, 672 and 556, you will see that 672 is the longest route and 556 is the shortest route. So the answer to this question is 556 meter. I hope you got the answer. Let's proceed to question B. It says, how much Jaunty will travel if he goes by shortest path first and return by the path having playground? What will the total distance traveled? So it is saying that if it goes by the shortest path. So it is the shortest path. It's 556 meter long and it is path C. So it will first travel by path C, that is this path via the market. It will first travel this path and it will cover how much distance? It will cover 556 meter. You see 400 plus 156, that we have already calculated, 556 meter. And then it says if Jaunty returned by the path having playground. So now it is returning by the path having playground. So which path is having playground? A, B or C? It's path A. So path A is having playground. So it will return from Monty's home to his home via path having playground, and the length of that path is 230 plus 356, which we have already figured out. Length of route A is 586 meters. So it's going to be 586 meter. What will be the total distance traveled? So total distance traveled will be the sum of these two distances. So returned by path A. It is going by path C. This is your path C distance, and this 586 is your path A distance. Now the total distance means the sum of these two paths. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 1, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So the answer is 1142 meter. Answer to this question, total distance traveled, is going to be 1142 meter, which can also be written as, you see over here, this is equal to 1000 meter plus 142 meter. Now this 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer and 142 meter. So this 1000 meter can be written as 1 kilometer. So we can write 1 kilometer 142 meter. So in real Olympiad questions, there will be options. So you may have this particular option 1142 meter, or you may have the option of 1 kilometer 1 kilometer 142 meter. So you should be able to identify, or you should be able to know that these two are one and the same distance. So this knowledge you should have, that 1142 meter can be expressed as 1 kilometer 142. If you do not know this conversion, then you may have issues while solving the questions correctly. So now we have solved question number A and question number B. Let's move on to question number C. It asks, longest route is longer than the shortest route by dash meter. You have to fill in this blank. So it is asking you how much longer is the longest route than the shortest route. Let us solve this question over here. So our longest route, first we have to know what is the longest route. So you have got three routes over here, A, B and C, and if you check the route distances or the length, you can easily figure out that this route 672 or the route B is the longest route. So this is your 672 meter. The shortest route is going to be, if you again compare all these three numbers, you can see that the shortest route is C, which is 556 meter, which is basically the answer to the first question, or question number A also. So now it is asked how much longer, how much greater, or how much lesser, then you have to subtract. So you have to subtract the shortest route length, that is 556, from the longest route, that is 672. We are just subtracting from the longest route the shortest route. Let's subtract. If you subtract, carry 12 minus 6 is 6. So here it will come down to 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. These two are in meters, and therefore subtraction can be carried out, and the result is also in meter. So it's 116 meter. Longest route, which is route B, is longer than the shortest route, which is route C, by 116 meter. So answer is 116 meter. Please remember to have a look at the units too, because your options may have, suppose your first option is 116 kilometer, and after figuring out this subtraction, you may be in such a hurry, or you may be such confident that you may this 116 kilometer to be the right answer. So you should not rush to answer, but have a look at all the options so that you can answer them correctly by looking properly into the figures as well as the units also. So such type of questions are very common in Olympiads. Obviously options are there, but you should be knowing how to convert kilometer to meter, meter to kilometer, and how to add them up and subtract them up. So these things should be known to you to answer such questions confidently and obviously correctly. So practice with Decode Monk for more such questions.